is no chosen hero, no legend of soul. He is just one fragile body, dangling on the edge of a world.
For now, the monster moves on. But this is not where his story began. Earlier that day, the world seemed almost peaceful. But this land never stays quiet for long. Each morning begins with the same ritual. Keep the fire alive, or let the darkness take everything.
These simple tools are not symbol of power. They are thin lines between him and extinction. To eat, to drink, to live, he must walk out of safety and into the open mouth of the world.
Even when nothing moves, the ground remembers every giant that passes.
Every step he takes out here is a question he cannot take back. Every rustle could be dinner, or the last sound he ever hears.
He has no word for alone in his language, but as he looks into the water,
He is not the only creature here made of muscle and bone. He is simply the smallest one that understands how fragile that makes him.
He could never drag one of these giants down alone, but he can learn where they drink, where they sleep, and which places he must never stand when they run.
when giants flee, the ground itself is afraid. Something worse is moving in the space they leave behind.
He knows the herd did not run from him, and that realization is colder than any wind on this plain.
Something older than his bloodline, heavier than his fear, is about to share the same patch of earth with him.
This is not a beast from his stories. It is the story this land has been telling in tooth and muscle for millions of years. He has never seen such a thing, and yet every instinct he has ever inherited screams the same word: run. On this world, survival is not dominance. It is the art of becoming nothing, just long enough for death to pass you by.
He has slipped out of the path of one catastrophe, but this day still has many shapes for death to wear.
When the sky feels too open, he looks for shelter in the trees, but the shadows have their own, quieter hunters.
Some killers do not stomp or roar. They slide through the world in silence, and you only see their shape after they have gone.
Some hunters are already in position long before you step into their jaws. In a single heartbeat, he is no longer the hunter. He is the breath caught inside another creature's grip. He is too small to overpower it, but not too small to hurt it. Just enough to be dropped.
He has won nothing permanent. All he has bought is another small pocket of time.
The forest spits him out at the river's edge. It looks still, but nothing this old is ever truly gentle.
The river cleans him, cools him, hides his scent.
On this river, the surface is a lie. The attack comes not from what you see, but from what you step too near.
He does not own this river. He is not its master. Today, he is only the one that got away.
This world does not only hunt with claws and teeth. Sometimes, the sky itself decides who gets to see another sunrise.
He has seen trees ripped from the soil, rocks split by lightning. Stone is the only thing that has ever stood longer than storms like this. And
The storm moves on, leaving the land rearranged. For him, every change is both a threat and an opportunity.
He cannot meet this monster on open ground. If he is to live, he must make the land itself choose a side.
He cannot shatter its bones with his own hands, but he can choose exactly where its weight will betray it.
In the end, it is not his spear that stops the monster. It is gravity, stone, and a mind that knows it.